So yan na deer, so breeding of our deer. So yan po yung brown po, yung Pintana na Rosa deer. Then yung sumusunod lang po, white spotted deer or fallow deer.
A deer, a female deer.
And on your left side po, we have the mini breeding of our ostrich.
Bye. Why are you natatakot, ha? You're scared. You're scared. You move. Hi, oh, that's your favorite. That's Tamaraw. Water buffalo.
Yes, so on your left side po, we have two bright boys. So sila po yung ginagay ng pang-race, prepare po sa kanilang pagkain ng sigla at lakas.
LJ.
Yes, yung mga first load to production press of breeding breeders sa UK. Yes, okay po mga boss